So, transformation of sentences. In the last video, I talked about the first part of assertive, interrogative, and all those. In the second part, I am going to tell you about the simple, complex, compound sentences. So, first of all, when we are doing the conversion of these sentences, we have to learn certain things. I'm not going to any deep understanding of any certain thing. I'm just giving you the outline, the overview, so that you can do the conversion. Like there are several cases, like simple to compound, compound to simple, simple to complex, complex to simple, complex to compound, compound to complex. Several such cases are there. But first you need to learn, that is, what is simple sentence, what is compound sentence, and what is a complex sentence. Basically, to differentiate between each of these, I am just giving you certain key things to notify. Like in simple sentences, there's that contains one transitive verb at the end. Only one verb it contains. Okay, one complete verb it contains in simple sentence. In compound, you have to recognize compound when there are two parts of the sentences and they are joined by conjunctions like and, or, so, but, like this. In complex sentences, you will find clauses. Okay, now we are going to start with them. Like first we start simple to compound and compound to simple. I'm going to give you, as in the previous case, I'm also here going to give you examples to understand. Like, he must work very hard to make up for the lost time. This is simple. And he must work very hard and make up for the lost time. This is compound. Here and is present, so that's compound. If we compound to simple, then like, he must work very hard or he will not win the first prize. That is compound. If you want to go it into simple, he must work very hard to win the first prize. Next, when we go to the next case, that is simple to complex. Let's say, he confessed his crime. In simple, complex, he confessed that he was guilty. When one person is guilty, that means he has committed that crime. So here we are replacing with that he was guilty. Second, like in complex, the fact that he is silent proves his guilt. His silence proves his guilt. So we are just accumulating the fact that is silent. The whole thing, that whole clause, we are just transforming into one word, silence. Okay, because we are just transforming simple to complex and complex to simple. Because as per the character of these types of sentences, we are going to convert it like this. Okay. Like, he succeeded unexpectedly. He succeeded although his success was not expected. In simple, you have to just contract the whole clause. In complex, you are going to expand like that. Okay, can you getting me? And second, when we are talking about, like, in simple sentences, you have to understand certain clauses. There are three types of clauses. Clauses are what? They are parts of sentences which have subject and predicate. And there are three types of clauses: noun clause, adjective clause, and adverb clause. Now, noun clause, that is a part of the sentence which works as noun. In adjective clause, the clause works as adjective, and in adverb clause, the clause works as an adverb in adverb clause. So in complex, like if we convert into complex to simple, like, he said that he was innocent. He declared his innocence. This is noun clause. In adjective clause, he died in the village where he was born. In simple, he died in his native village. So native means his own village. In adverb clause, like if I say, as you sow, so will you reap. In simple, you will but reap the fruits of your sowing. Like, if I want to give you a simple example, like, if I make a promise, I keep it. I make a promise only to keep it. So here only is the adverb. So I make a promise only to keep it. Like this type, you have to transform the sentences. Now if I go to compound to complex and complex to compound. Like if I give the example, search his pockets and you will find a watch. This is compound. In complex, if you search his pockets, you will find a watch. Another example, like, I am certain you have made a mistake. You have made a mistake, and of this I am certain. But I am certain of this. Okay, you can practice more and you will understand what's the difference, and it will be easier for you to convert. Okay, so another example, like I'm giving, as soon as he got the telegram, he left in a taxi. He got the telegram and immediately he left in a taxi. As soon as we have to convert it into immediately. Like if we say we sow so that we may reap, we desire to reap, therefore we sow. So these are the things which you have to remember and keep in mind, the definitions and how to convert them as per the character. So I think now it's clear for you. Now in practice mode and you will understand. Thank you.